Hey guys, it's Christy over at Change a Shift. So today's in-service day, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a narrated slide deck within PowerPoint. Okay, so what I've done here is I've created a PowerPoint slide presentation, just 5 files because I don't need a lot for the purposes of this demonstration. But what we're going to do is we're going to start with this PowerPoint slideshow. We're going to record over it, and then we're actually going to convert it to a video file that can then later be shared on your Facebook page, or it could be shared on YouTube or what have you. So you'll have a video format of your PowerPoint slide deck with all your narrations. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start up here at the top, and you're going to go to slideshow and come down here to record slideshow. Click on that, record from the beginning, because I want to start with my first slide. You can also record from the current slide if you're on a different one and you want to start there, but I'm going to go ahead and record from the beginning. So click that, and it gives you this this little screen here that you can start recording. Now you're not recording yet, but you're going to in just a minute. You're going to go up here to the top left where it says start recording, and I am actually going to start recording that. So you get your little countdown. So clear your throat or adjust your microphone or whatever. Okie dokie. So in service today, we're going to talk about content creation, since that is the topic of this week. And we are going to learn how to create a narrated slide deck using PowerPoint. It's another in-service by Change of Shift. And you can find me on Facebook at Change of Shift. You can also find me over at my website there at changeofshift.org. Okay, so I think that is my last slide that I have in that deck. I believe it's the last one. Yes, okay. So then you just get a blank screen and it says end of slideshow, click to exit. All right, so I just clicked to out of that. So it just recorded all of that. I am going to go up here to the top left and I'm going to save. Be sure you save that recording. Okay, so once it's done saving, what you want to do is go to File. And the first thing you're going to do over here is compress media. And what that's going to do is it's going to squish it down to a smaller file size. So you don't have to upload big, giant, huge files. Let's see, and I've got 0.89 megabytes, so it's not a really big one, and I don't think it's really going to compress too much. So we have internet quality. That's the one I always select, okay? Internet quality. So you can put it wherever you want to put it online. So it's doing its little thing, and you can see it saved nothing, which is fine, whatever. There are also some other compression tools out there, like Handbrake, which is what I use to compress really large files. You can squish them down even more. All right, so we're going to close that because it just did its little thing. After that, after we've compressed our file, we're going to go down here to export. Okay, export. We're going to create a video. We want it to be internet quality. And you can see right here, so I don't need to change that, okay? Here's your other choices of presentation quality, internet quality. That's what I always choose. Okay, use the next one, really important. Use recorded timings and narrations. Well, we put narrations in there, so we want to keep those narrations that we just recorded. You can see right here, seconds spent on each slide. Don't worry about this. Don't change it, because as you can see right here, it says slides without timings will use the default duration set below. So that's without timings, but we have timings. The narrations that we put in there are our timings. So leave that alone, don't even worry about it. And then you're going to create video. And let's see, we're going to put that in my in-services. Oh, and you can see that it is a MP4 file. And you're just going to save your video. I think you can see down here on the bottom of my screen, it says create narrated select die, blah, blah, select slide deck, blah, 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 and it's creating my MP4. So in just a second, you're going to see that you have an MP4 file, which is a movie file, and you can upload to YouTube or any Wistia or whichever video hosting platform you use. Okay, that's okay. We are okay with that. Let's call this PowerPoint in service. And let's see. Okay, and so there you have it. You've got your MP4 file and it's all ready for upload to YouTube or Facebook or wherever you guys want to put it. You can even see this little tiny thing here, kind of proves, oh yeah, I've got my narrations. Those are my narrations. And then just go ahead and test it first before you put it up and you're good to go. So I hope I was able to help you out with this and teach you something new today. All right, this is Christy from Change the Shift saying goodbye.